it's Nancy from the Dovertown Library, and I'm here with another week of stories, songs, rhymes, and activities as part of Super Awesome Fun Time at Home. Before we get started, I am so excited to let you know about a new service we're offering at the library called Kids Book Bundles. The librarians at the Dovertown Library have put together bundles of books for all ages of kids on lots of different topics. If you go to the children's page of the Dovertown Library website, you can fill out a Google form, check off which bundles you would like, and we'll put them on reserve for you to be picked up at our curbside delivery. Ready to get started with story time? So am I.
Hello everyone, here's another super awesome fun time favorite coming to you from the Dovertown Library. This is Angie and Nancy. We're going to sing Ram Sam Sam, and we hope that you'll follow along with us from home. So get your hands out, and here we go. Ram Sam Sam, Ram Sam Sam, gooly 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 gooly, Ram Sam Sam, Rafi, gooly 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 gooly, Ram Sam Sam, Ram Sam Sam, Ram Sam Sam, gooly 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 gooly, Ram Sam Sam, Rafi, gooly 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 gooly, Ram Sam Sam. Great job, everybody! Now we're gonna do that all again. So get your hands out. Here we go. Ram Sam Sam, Ram Sam Sam, gooly 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 gooly, Ram Sam Sam, Rafi, gooly 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 gooly, Ram Sam Sam, Ram Sam Sam, Ram Sam Sam, gooly 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 gooly, Ram Sam Sam, Rafi, gooly 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 gooly, Ram Sam Sam. Great job! Have a good day.
The book I've chosen for today is I Wish You More by Amy Krauss Rosenthal, with illustrations by Tom Lichtenheld. Thank you to Chronicle Books for allowing me to read and record this story. I wish you more. I wish you more ups than downs. I wish you more give than take. I wish you more tippy toes than deep. I wish you more we than me. I wish you more hugs than Uggs. I wish you more woohoo than whoa. I wish you more will than hill. I wish you more can than not. I wish you more snowflakes than tongue. I wish you more pause than fast forward. I wish you more umbrella than rain. I wish you more bubbles than bath. I wish you more treasures than pockets. I wish you more stories than stars. I wish all of this for you because you are everything I could wish for and more. I really like that. That's a very uplifting book. It's perfect for these kind of unsettled times.
Hello everyone, it's Angie and Nancy at the Dover Library. We hope that you're all staying healthy and happy at home, and we hope you'll join us in singing If You're Happy and You Know It. You ready? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. Now we're gonna shout hooray. Ready? Here we go. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. Now we're gonna try to do all three, so follow along with Nancy. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, hooray! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, hooray! Awesome! Have a good day!
Hi everybody, it's Nancy and Angie from the Dovertown Library, and we're going to do one of our favorite finger play rhymes from Super Awesome Fun Time, and we'd like you to do it with us from home. This one's called the Clap Clap Song, and the way it works is you start by clapping as slowly as you can, then as quickly as you can, and then we'll do more actions. So get your hands out. Ready? Yes.
Clap, clap, clap your hands slowly as you can. Clap, clap, clap your hands quickly as you can. Roll, roll, roll your arms slowly as you can. Roll, roll, roll your arms quickly as you can. Shake, shake, shake your head slowly as you can. Shake, shake, shake your head quickly as you can. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet slowly as you can. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet as quickly as you can. Bye!
Hi everyone, it's Melissa with another sensory activity for you. Oobleck. Not only is it a super fun word to say, it's also a really cool substance. If you've never heard of it before, it's something that acts like both a solid and a liquid depending on how you use it. And it's also great for just like a messy, fun sensory activity. So I'm going to show you how to make it today, and it's really easy. The only things you need are cornstarch and water. And what you're going to want is about 1 part water to 1.5 to 2 parts cornstarch. So let me show you how to do that. I have here a container that I'm going to be making my oobleck in, and of course my cornstarch, my water, and a measuring tool. So I'm going to start with my cornstarch, and you can have the kids help with this because it's also great for measuring. I'm going to take my cornstarch, put it in my container. It is a little bit messy, so if you want to have aprons on, it's probably a good idea, particularly if you're going to be playing with it a lot. And then I'm going to take my water. And the great thing about this is it's not exact. Like I said, it's 1.5 to 2 parts. So if you find it's not coming together correctly, you can always add more water or cornstarch. So then you can just take your fingers and mix it around. And again, if you want to do this with your children, go for it. It is a little bit messy, but it's also a lot of fun. So just mixing it around, and you can already see that it is behaving like both a liquid and a solid. The cool thing is, when you're not putting a lot of pressure on it, it acts like a liquid, but let me lift this up so you can see. I can't put my finger in it unless I'm very gentle. And there's a lot of fun activities you can do with this. You can pick it up and squeeze it, and you'll feel it harden, and then as soon as you let go, it gets all drippy. It's just a really cool substance that can provide a lot of fun for a while. And it's great for getting your hands right into and feeling that. So that's it for Super Awesome Fun Time at Home for this week. We hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.